it's me, Erin, and I'm so excited to show you my video. I've had so much fun in this class. I have loved it. I can't wait to show you what I've been working on. I wanted to make sure I covered what we're supposed to, so I wanted to make sure I covered, we're supposed to talk about the hardest things in the class and then our favorite things. So I wanted to start with the hardest because I think for me the hardest is just stopping, because I just want to keep working and tweaking things and making them better, and I just want to keep learning, and I kind of wish this class was gone forever, so it's kind of hard to say goodbye. So the things that are my favorite things I'm going to show you as I do my website. I just got my favicon in here, kind of, maybe needs to be bigger, but I just put that in there, and I didn't do the W in front. I just started. My website is called organizedbyerin.com. So all it comes up, we're having blizzard weather here, so the Wi-Fi might be a little shaky. But my website, what I chose to do, is called Organized by Erin. And so my idea is, this is my tagline: affordable concepts to help you manage the chaos. And so my idea for my business, because I knew that we had to have things that we sell, I decided to start a personal organizing business where I help people go in and help people organize their home. And whatever tasks that they have, I can help them organize and fix their home how they would like it to be done. So this is my home page. Down here I was able to get my name and the copyright. I thought that was so cool and so much fun. And I did the copyright symbol. Some of us were talking about that. So I love it. I think it's so, I love it. I love the colors. I actually, this is actually an Unsplash image, and I added the text and I dropped the colors. So this should be the exact pretty close pink. This is a little logo that I came up with. So this is just my home page. I'd like to show you my other pages that I have. The next page is my About page. It has, this is actually the logo for my blog, and I used it for my favicon. And that's the color, all my colors are that's cerulean blue. This is my About page, and it just has my name and that I'm a farm girl that has a very adventurous life in Missouri, and just about what my purpose is, that I'd like to help people get their homes in order. Sorry. Okay, this is my blog page, and so I would love to post more posts, and I'm going to try to keep up with that. This is today's post, Laundry Mastered. So I thought this was really fun. This is my Instagram. Okay, this is the contact thing that we did. This is my Instagram feed. That's Princess, my pig. And this is me. This is actually a bald eagle that we saw the other day. It just sat and watched us. Alright, so we could probably look at my Instagram feed forever. But this is Penelope. That was Princess. This is Penelope. Okay, so this is my post on laundry, how to get a system that we came to organize our laundry, which has been so wonderful. So you can read that. This is, I actually posted on our church Facebook page if anybody needed help, so that I would do it for free for images. And so this is one project. I redid somebody's kitchen. So this is their before and after pictures. This is what it looked like before and then after I went. This is like where they had their dishes, and this is what happened after I was there. This cupboard was by the dishwasher, and I said, you can put your dishes by the dishwasher. She had this beautiful drawer that wasn't being used, and so I said, oh, why don't, she was worried about germs because she couldn't wash this out. So I said, why don't you put all your pencils and stuff, and then all her snacks. And this is where they kind of had their food. And once I combined all their food, they had all this food. And it's been really fun. So anyway, there's more pictures of that project, but that's what my goal is to do that. And then I just did a post about baby steps, not to get worried, just do a little bit at a time. And then these cute little, I made these hygiene kits for Christmas, but my kids just love, and it costs $1.97 for all these, $1 for the box, and $1 for the chapstick. So it costs $3, and they have all their stuff together because sometimes it's hard to find fingernail clippers. So anyway, that's my kind of my blog, and I'd like to keep adding posts to that. This is my tip page, so it kind of maybe breaks it more down in categories. I'd like to really work on this. I'd like to just basically focus on these 4 areas, like business organizing, creative spaces. I don't know why I can't get this one to really center. Organizing. Alright, anyway. And health and beauty and home. So if you click on home, once I get more posts in here, then see, I did that super awesome project portfolio thing. So eventually I will have more things in here, but so I just am simplifying with just laundry, health and beauty, those types of things. And so that's how that works. Okay, that was my tip section. Contact, this is my contact page. Once again, I got an image off Unsplash. And just put that in there. My submit button. A little bit about me. This is my store. I think this turned out really cute. So I looked at prices, it took me a while to figure out how to do this, but I decided to call them blocks. And so that kitchen, actually it took right at 3 hours. I emptied all their cupboards and re-put everything back together and helped them find out what they did not need and all those types of things. And so this is the consulting block. Or wait, sorry, I mixed these up. This is my consulting block. This is where I would just meet with somebody, and I took some pictures, and I'm having a terrible time getting all my pictures on my computer. I couldn't believe I'm trying to do a bunch of things, and we had like 68,000 pictures on my computer, so it's kind of cool. So I don't have pictures, but I'm doing another project where I got another project from this already where I'm helping somebody move their little office room that they have. She's a painter, a crafter, and a sewer, and she's getting this huge room in her house, and so I'm consulting her on how to put her furniture and the colors, and it is so much fun. So that would be more of my consulting block where I help people figure out what to do. And then the 3-hour block is like I did the kitchen, and so it is about $40 an hour, which seems like a lot, but when I'm looking into this, a lot of people start at 40 and they go to 70 or higher. But she was so excited. She just loved her kitchen. It was like she didn't even want to be in there, and now she just loves it. And the bonus block is just if we run out of time, it'll be like an extra $25 to help. So all the little pictures. Need more time or have more projects? I want to add a 1-hour bonus block. So that's my little shop. Okay, and this is my gallery. I'm taking too long, I'm sure. This is my gallery. And so I want to put the projects that I've done. So I've done this project. This is the kitchen one. And I love how you can do the portfolio thing. That was so awesome to figure that out. I am doing a creative space, and it's fun. We found a painting that goes with it, and it's a place of your own, and so that's we're doing a whole theme for her cool creative space. And then I also have a children's theater that I help organize. So it was kind of a lot because I wanted pictures and stuff, and then I got all these clients, so then I ended up helping everybody. But it's so much fun. I ended up getting a brand new job out of it. A business, and it is so much fun. I really love helping people just see different ways to do things to make their life more simple and organized. So that is my little project. If you have any questions, or if I'd love to know your thoughts, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I've had so much fun, and I can't wait to check everybody's out. And I'm so grateful to have learned all this fun stuff. I can't wait. I already got my portfolio name, and I can't wait to go in and start my portfolio blog or portfolio website. So excited, so happy, and I'll stop talking now. Bye.